Hey guys, today we're trying to get back deleted comments on Facebook. So if you guys are wondering how to get the deleted comments from your Facebook application, if in the case that you need this for legal evidence or stuff like that, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to recover these step by step. So please watch it until the end. Alright you guys, so what we can do in order for us to recover our deleted comments is actually proceed with hopping on over first to the Facebook application. Now, once we are already here, I want you to proceed to going over to the option for us to download our information. So hop on over to our menus, and then I want you to go on over to your settings. I want you to go on over to your account center. Once we're here, let's tap on your information and permissions, and then tap on download your information. So once we are already here, I want you to go ahead and request for a download of your information of all of your accounts, especially those accounts that you want to go ahead and have a copy of your deleted comments. Tap on next, tap on complete copy, and then I want you to proceed with, of course, choosing your preferred file. Now once you're already ready, basically all of the default notifications or default format is gonna be good. Just tap on submit request. Once you're done, wait for a few business days until the request is gonna be able to be downloaded already on your device. And it's that easy guys. You can now go ahead and download your information and also have a copy of your deleted comments. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.